In this video, I'll show you how to add a signature in Zoho Mail. It's very easy. All you need to do once you log into Zoho Mail, come here at the top right and click on this gear cog to access your settings. And then I want you to scroll down here in the left-hand panel all the way down until you find this option that says signature. Go ahead and click on this. Now we need to enter a signature name. I'll just put in my name, William Hunter. And now we can type in our signature. For example, yours faithfully or best regards. Okay, we'll do this one right here and then go ahead and get to the next line. Go ahead and click on shift plus enter at the same time, and I'll put in my name. And if you want to add a logo, go skip a line, come here and click on this option. Okay, this drop down, then click on insert image. And then what I'll do is I'll click on choose an image to upload. So I'll be browsing through my file explorer. Come here. This is our logo. Click on open and we'll use best fit. Okay, alignment options. You can mess around with this, but first let's go ahead and insert this and see what it looks like. Okay, this one is too big for us. We will go ahead and set it to small. Of course, you can easily resize this by, dragging the ends. Okay, so I'll keep it at the size of our name. There we go. That looks much better. If you want to add extra organizational details like your address, things like that, you can do that as well. If you want to make this bold or italic, you can also do that from this panel. But when you're done, just go ahead and click on save. And there we go. Our signature has been added successfully. And you can always go ahead and update this signature. If you want to delete it, you can click on that icon as well. Okay, and it's really that easy and simple.